Okay, let's talk about the global cues. Here's Nigel with the world view.
Well, the temporary trade truce between the United States and China, that, boded well for those markets yesterday. So U.S. markets, all three of them ended well in the green. Some of those stocks, they react to this news more violently. And in fact, Boeing and Caterpillar, because of their global exposure, both of them ended with gains of around 2 to around 4% from the Dow itself. But there were some losers as well. Verizon was down close to around 3%. It wasn't a day for McDonald's and chips, because you had McDonald's that was down close to 2%. Coca-Cola as well did lose close to around 1.5% in yesterday's trading session. But the Nasdaq did well, and a couple of those heavyweights, they did perform. So you had Amazon as well as Apple. Both of them were up close to around 4% in yesterday's trading session. But if you're looking at, some of those other sectors that did well, yesterday we had a tweet coming in from Trump. He said that, in fact, the imports that are coming in there, they are going to be cooled off. And that's why we had some of those U.S. automakers. They did very, very well in trade yesterday. They were up between 1.5%. All these three U.S. automakers did pretty well. Shifting focus, though, to the European markets, we did see gains out there from the start itself. They ended with some gains, though they came off the high point of the day. A couple of sectors did well. One was basic resources. All these stocks, they rallied close to around 3 to around 4%. They were up more than 5% at one point of time. And even automakers like Daimler as well as Valeo, both of them ended with good gains. Though both these two stocks, they came off the high point of the day. Today, we have some of those Asian markets. They are seeing some profit booking after the big run we had yesterday. Two key monitorables that we have been looking at. One is the dollar index, cooled off a tad bit, while Brent crude prices continue to hold above that $62 per barrel mark. For starters, the SGX Nifty is indicating a more or less flattish with a mildly negative bias to kickstart trade. Back to you all.